Hey folks, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV showing off another vehicle from Wheaton Honda.
This 2017 Nissan Maxima SL offers plenty of space and more performance than you'd expect. You get 300 horsepower to play with from its 3.5-liter V6 engine, which is controlled by a continuously variable transmission with Drive Mode Selector. This thing is full of features like push-button start, a black leather interior with heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate control, a dual-pane sunroof, a backup camera, and parking sensors. Plus, it has keyless entry, a factory-installed remote starter, heated side mirrors, and smart auto headlights. The infotainment center has NissanConnect with navigation featuring Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, and Bluetooth. Plus, your favorite tunes have never sounded better thanks to a Bose Premium audio system with 11 speakers and Centerpoint Surround Technology. There are also plenty of systems designed to keep you safe on the road, like predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, intelligent cruise control, blind spot warning, and rear cross traffic alert.
Now if you have any questions about this vehicle, please send them my way and I'll get you some answers. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda.